Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we will explore the new GM Single Calendar component. This component is simple to set up and user-friendly. It consolidates everyone's schedule in one view, allowing you to drag, drop, and apply color conditions based on your chosen criteria. What's great is that it can be configured for any object, whether custom or standard. Let's step into how to set this up using Project Tasks object. Start by navigating to the Setup menu. Search for Lightning App Builder. Once there, create a new page. Label it Project Tasks Calendar and proceed. Select a one region. Now, in the Component Explorer on the left, search for GM Single Calendar. Drag it into your page. We'll then configure it. Set the label to Project Task Calendar and choose an icon. For the calendar view, we'll default to Monthly. Set the height to 9,999. For Activity Object, set Project Task. For the Activity Title field, choose Name. For Activity Date, set Date. Now for the Activity from Date and End Time fields, set appropriate values. For popover fields, you might want to show fields like Name, Priority, End Date Time, Status. For the activity coloring, paste the configuration. Next, let's enable Update and Create options, ensuring all functionalities are set. You can save your settings. Now go back to the Sales app, and there you will see your Project Task Calendar. Observe how it's color-coded based on your criteria and how you can easily drag and drop tasks to adjust scheduling. If needed, you can edit your tasks directly. Use the Reload button to refresh the view. From here you can navigate to see the last and next week tasks. Also from here you can change the view from monthly to weekly or daily. Make sure to explore filtering options as well. For example, create a quick filter to see only tasks marked as in progress. That's a wrap on setting up the GM Single Calendar. Thanks for watching.